Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn Boolean operation in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my FreeCAD Crash Course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the FreeCAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. So to understand the Boolean operation in FreeCAD, I will create a new file and I will activate the part workbench. So once you activate the part workbench, here you will get the part primitives. So I will take very simple example to explain the Boolean operation. So first I will insert a cube. So you can see that cube has been inserted. Now I will switch to the orthographic and then isometric. So once you use these part primitives, it is very easy to customize this part. So just click on the cube, go to the property manager, then here you will get length, width and height. So length I will give 100 and width I will also give the 100. So you can see that cube turned into the plate, and thickness I will keep the 10 mm. Now I will click on the cylinder. So you can see that cylinder has been inserted. You can also customize this cylinder as we have customized our cube. So click on the cylinder, go to the property, and here I will give the radius 15 and height I will give 60. Now we have one cylinder and one cube, or we can see that we have a plate which was a cube and we have customized it with a plate. Now we will click on this cylinder in tree view and click on the transform, and with the help of a transform we can move it. So I will move it to the middle of our plate. So I will approximately place it. Now I will switch to the isometric and switch to the front view. Now I will drag to the bottom and I will say OK. So here we have a cylinder and a plate. Now I will switch to the isometric. Now we will understand the Boolean operation. So first I will select my cube and then cylinder, and if I click on the Boolean operation here, then here I get here the four option: union, difference, intersections and sections. So all these four operations are also available here. So you can access from here as well or from here as well. So first we will select the cube and cylinder and we will do the cut operations. So if I click on the cut, so you can see that cylinder has been subtracted from my plate. So if I delete it, so here I have first selected the cube and then cylinder. So this means that this cylinder got subtracted from the cube. But what if I say select my cylinder first and then cube? Then this means that this cube will be subtracted from the cylinder. And if I click on the cut operation, so you can see that my plate has been subtracted. So order of selection is very important while using the Boolean operation. So this was the cut operation. Now I will select my cube and cylinder and I will use this union. So in this union operation, this cylinder and this cube will be get unite and it will be a single body. So if I click on the union, so you can see that a fusion has been created here and now it is a single body. Now I will delete the fusion and now again I click on the cube and then cylinder and click on this intersection. So in intersection, the rest of the portion has been removed, which was the intersecting. Now I will delete it. So this Boolean operation is very useful and very simple to use, easy to add and subtract the two bodies. So this is very small tutorial to give introduction about the Boolean operation in FreeCAD with the help of a part primitives in a part workbench.